Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable digital experience in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, all we need to do is just to go to the setup page from the setup menu. So from here we click in the setup and simply we need just to search for digital experience. And basically we will need just to go and type digital experience, and at the beginning you will only have the settings if you don't have already enabled. So you will need just to go to the settings, and from there you will have only one choice, is to enable the digital experience. So basically you will have your domain name, you will need just to choose your domain name, and after that you will need just to click on any uh, additional settings that you would like. You click on save and make sure to reload so you can start having all the new actions. Basically you will start having your sites, and you will be able to create your communities, etc. So after that you will start having your pages, your CMS, and the other templates and themes that will be enabled also. So after that, all you need to do is just to go to all sites and click on new, and after that you will be able to start creating your own communities or your site on however you like. So when you choose any templates, it will start taking you to the builder so you can start customizing on your pages. And simply you will be able either to add components, you can also change the themes, colors, also the fonts if you would like, and you will be able to customize every aspect of your page. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.